How to delete your Airbnb account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can delete your Airbnb account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete our Airbnb account, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and just simply launch the Airbnb application. And then once you launch the Airbnb application, what you want to do is just come to the profile tab, which is at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon and then come to your profile page, here you'll see all these options where you have to look for the option called privacy and sharing, which you see right over here. So just go ahead and then tap on the privacy and sharing button. Once you tap on the option called privacy and sharing, you'll find another option called delete your account. Just make sure to go ahead and then tap on the delete your account button. Once you tap on delete your account, it says which country do you reside, so just go ahead and select which country do you actually reside in this case. And once I go ahead and then select my specific country, select the region where you want to delete your account. But this is actually just optional options. If you want to go ahead and do that, that's perfectly fine. If not, you can skip it and then just tap on the option called delete account, which is at the bottom of the screen. And that's all it takes to delete your Airbnb account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.